Electrical switches. Number 1, manually operated switches. Number 1, knife switches. Number 2, toggle switches. Number 3, push button switches. Number 4, rotatory switches. Number 5, generator field cutout switch, GFCO. Number 6, multi-unit shutdown switch, MUSD. Number 2, automatically operated switches. In that, number 1, pressure switches. Number 2, thermal switches. Number 3, floating switch. Manually operated switch. Number 1, knife switches are available different kinds. That is, first one, A, battery knife switch located at nose compartment. Purpose, connecting battery supply to the external circuit. If fails during cranking, if it is open or not closing properly, engine will not crank. During engine running, if it is open, battery ammeter showing 0 batteries are not charging and not discharging also. Number B, ground relay cutout switch, GRCO1. Location, front panel in version 2 loco and back panel in version 3 loco. Purpose, connected in power circuit to detect leakage current through GR1 relay in conventional loco and Tangy sensor in microprocessor loco. C, ground relay cutout switch, GRCO2. Location, front panel in version 2 loco and back panel in version 3 loco. Purpose, connected in control circuit to detect leakage current through GR2 relay in conventional loco and Bangi sensor in microprocessor loco. Toggle switches. Location, toggle switches are both control stand, front breaker panel, front panel inside and back panel. Number 1, doom light switch located at breaker panel or DL unit. Gauge light switch located in both control stand. Classification light switch located in both control stand. Engine room light switch located at a breaker panel. Compartment light switch located at breaker panel. Generator room light switch located at breaker panel. 7, EPG switch SH control stand or breaker panel. Number 8, cab fan switch located at control stand or fan unit. Number 9, reading light switch located at control stand or read light unit. Number 10, flasher light switch located on both control stand. Number 11, power setter switch located on breaker panel. Number 12, TE limit switch located on breaker panel. Number 13, APU disable switch located on breaker panel. Number 14, TM isolation switches located at front panel inside in version 2 locos. 15, self load box contactor switch SLBC front bend back panel. Push button switches. A, start push button switch front breaker panel. B, stop push button front breaker panel. C, alarm push button front breaker panel. D, sander push button both control stand. E, VCD reset push button both control stand. F, horns push button both control stand. G, SP1 and SP2 push buttons both control stand for quick charging of BP. H, SW1 and SW2 push buttons both control stand for resetting AFL operation. Rotatory switch. Engine control switches ECS. Location, front breaker panel. ECS having two positions, that is idle and run. Purpose, number 1, keep idle while on cranking. Number 2, keep run position for rising engine speed. Number 3, for moving the locomotive in monitoring. in motoring and braking operation. Number 4, for emergency brake application. B. Headlight switches HLS. Location, both control stand. Purpose, for headlight operation HLS having 6 positions, that is off, front dim, front bright, rear bright and both side dim. FPM standby switch. Location, compressor room or driver cab. Purpose, if FPM is not working in normal position, the switch is to be kept in DB mode or standby mode. FPM standby switch is having 3 positions, that is off, FB mode or normal mode and DB mode or standby mode. D. TM isolation switch, WM2 loco only. Location, front breaker panel. Purpose, for isolation of traction motor. Traction motor isolation switch is having 7 positions, that is number 1, all TMs are cut. Number 2, TM1 is cut out, MCO. Number 3, TM2 is cut out. Number 4, TM3 cut out. Number 5, TM4 is cut out. Number 6, TM5 is cut out. Number 7, TM6 is cut out. Note, at a time only one traction motor will oscillate by using rotatory switch. Number 5, generator field cutout switch, GFCO. Location, both control stand, both switches connected in series. Purpose, it is used to close the generator field contactor, GFC. If GF switches not closing properly, load meter will not respond. 6, multiple unit shutdown switch, MUSD. Location, both control stand, both switches connected in series. Purpose, always keep in run position while cranking and loco running. Keep in stop position for single loco shutdown purpose and multiple locos shutdown. Automatically operated switches. Pressure switches. A. OPS1 oil pressure switch in WM2 locos. Location, driver cab. OPS1 will pick up at 1.6 kg per centimeter square and drop at 1.3 kg per centimeter square. B. OPS2 oil pressure switch in WM2 locos. Location, driver cab. OPS2 will pick up at 3.7 kg per centimeter square and drop at 3.5 kg per centimeter square. C. PCS1, it is available in vacuum brake system. In WM2 loco, it is eliminated. D. PCS2, located in air brake panel in nose compartment, it is connected in BP circuit. PCS2 will close 4.0 kg per centimeter square and open at 2.8 kg per centimeter square. E. PCS3, located in nose compartment, PCS3 will pick up at 4.0 kg per centimeter square and drop at 3.0 kg per centimeter square. In MU locos, if MU2 be kept in trial mode, PCS3 will drop and isolate the VCD circuit even though MCB1 and 2 in on condition in trailing loco. F. P1 and P2 pressure switches. P1 closes at 4.5 kg per centimeter square and open at 4.8 kg per centimeter square. P2 close at 4.4 kg per centimeter square and open at 4.7 kg per centimeter square. These switches are connected in AFL circuit. Thermally operated switches. A. TS1 pick up at 68 degree centigrade and energizes R1 contactor. B. TS2 pick up at 74 degree centigrade and energizes R2 contactor. C. ETS pick up at 90 degree centigrade and hot engine alarm and indication to driver. Note, above 3 switches located in compressor room in WM2 loco. Float operated switch. A. LWS low water switch located in compressor room and which is connected to number 1 expansion tank. If water level reduces to below 1 in the bottom of the expansion tank, due to that LWS will operate, engine will shut down. It gives the HEA alarm with LED indication. Thank you.